The StG-44, widely regarded as the world's first true assault rifle, operates with a clever and efficient mechanism. As the trigger is pulled, the hammer strikes the firing pin, igniting the cartridge and propelling the bullet forward. The expanding gases drive the bolt backward, cycling the weapon. During this process, the spent casing is ejected, and the recoil spring pushes the bolt forward, stripping a fresh round from the magazine and chambering it for the next shot. This seamless cycle of fire, eject, reload, and chambering allowed the StG-44 to deliver rapid, controlled firepower, combining the range of a rifle with the mobility of a submachine. Its innovative design became the foundation for modern assault rifles we see today.